Let's see how to make a simple pie crust. I have 1 cup of wheat flour here, 1.5 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, and I have 1 tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix everything and make it into make look like breadcrumbs and then form it into a dough. This is how it looks. I have mixed everything. Now I'm going to make a dough using about half to 1 cup of water, chilled water. This is I have made the dough, and it need not be kneaded very smoothly. Just combining everything and forming into a ball should be enough. Now I'm going to cover it with the cling and then refrigerate until I prepare for the apple stuffing. This goes into the refrigerator and will be chilling until I prepare the apple filling. Meanwhile, let's take a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, half cup of brown sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, and some thinly sliced apples. Take apples of your choice. I've taken Red Delicious here. And mix everything together. This is how I've mixed everything. Preheat your oven for about 356 degrees. Take a pie pan of your choice and spray it with butter spray or spray and dust. I'm going to spray. Nicely clean your work surface and take the dough that you have refrigerated. It might have been chilling for about 30 minutes, and break it into two portions. Form it into a ball. Dust your surface. Now roll it into a flat roti like shape as big as your pie pan. This is how I have rolled it, and now I'm going to place it in the pie pan. This is how I have placed it. Now I'm going to roll another one, and this is how I've rolled the second one. The thickness has this, and now I'm going to cut it into thin strips. Before that, let's fill the apple pieces, the mixture of apple filling into the pie crust. This is how I have stripped it, and now I'm going to place each of the strips on the pie pan like this, and then I'm going to place one more on top of it in crisscross shape. I have placed it like this, and now I'm going to seal the edges. You can use a fork if there is equal amount of dough or the pie crust, and then you can use a fork to just press the sides, or you can just seal it with your fingers. And this is ready to go in the oven now. I'm going to place it in the oven at 356 degrees for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, take the pie out and brush it with milk and sugar mixture. I have about tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of milk. I'm going to brush it over on this and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. And it goes back in the oven now. This is how the pie looks after about 5 to 10 minutes, say 7 minutes, after giving a brush with milk and sugar. I have given about 7 minutes to bake, and the sides are nice and golden brown, and the strips have also turned into nice gold. This is how it looks. Do try this recipe. Like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.